How many seasons of Tree Ranger are you doing?
Not too sure.
Wait for Netflix to pick it up.
Yeah, that's it. You guys got your makeup on?
Yeah, makeup. I put it on twice now. It's been washed off both times. I don't know why I try anymore.
Did you have a fight recently?
Yeah.
How'd you go?
Week and a half ago?
First round KO in the first fucking minute.
Oh shit, what was the celebration?
I did a dance. Like this.
Hi James.
How are we?
Look at all the stubs he's left.
How was it up there today, mate?
Wet. Better than the last fucking day I went up there though.
Definitely feels like actual rain. Are you sure? I'm pretty sure.
We've had like a couple of call outs, so we've not really been able to spend any real time in it, like chipping away at it at the end of the day and stuff.
Anyway, is it raining? Is it raining? I reckon. I don't know. I thought I felt a drop. I reckon. Start waking up, putting on fucking wet boots and wet chainsaw pants.
Driving through the same puddle every morning. I have to keep changing my parking spots because my parking spots get flooded. You need an umbrella or something.
Dude, seriously, I'm just gonna have to stay under here.
This is like the first full day we've had, but then Rory had to leave.
He was sharpening the electric saw this morning and sharpened it perfectly, and then as he's using it on the chipper, it slipped out of his hands and one of the teeth just caught a little nick out of his leg.
With TV shows, it's funny because you want drama, like you want stuff to happen to make good TV, but at the same time you don't.
Yeah.
Like imagine if I was here to capture.
People watching want shit to happen. We don't.
Imagine if I was here to capture. Yeah, imagine that.
Mate,
It wasn't very cinematic. It was just like
I was just like
It was Rory pulling down his pants and being like,
just pasty white legs.
It was just here. It would have been the padding. It would have been fine, but it just took a solid chunk out of his leg. So I've had to send him away to get some stitches. It's happened for me before as well. I ran a chainsaw into my hand there once. Had to leave site to go get stitches as well. Wouldn't be fun otherwise, right?
As Tyler would say, sense of danger.
I don't think John's cut himself with a saw yet, so I've got him beat there.
You're addicted to the danger.
Yeah, I know. Well, yeah. Someone told me to be an arborist one day. Now I'm addicted. Really? I like your concern for my safety though. You can try and punch through it as much as you can.
If I go up, you're one less man on the ground, and you're going to be balls to the wall chipping that. I might as well just stay down.
Yeah.
Chip it all with you.
Stay down for the first part.
I'll chip it with you until I know that you're going to be done. Because
Yeah,
there's no point in me heading up there waiting for you to finish and then it's fucking 3 o'clock. So I'd rather help you boys out and get back up, start sending more shit.
You reckon it's any harder to chip when it's wet? Or
Oh yeah, it's shit. Just morale wise. Like.
Chipping time.
Chipping time, baby. Humble pie.
It's too good.
Did you get that on camera?
I think you broke a few.
What was that?
That was the band.
Fucking non-stop climbing.
Yeah, we're shooting the walking into the bakery scene. It is the most important scene because this is the best bakery in the Dandenong Ranges.
You just don't even know which one you're full.
Awesome, thank you.
Did you want a copy?
Ah, no, that's fine, thanks.
Hey Ben.
Hi, how you doing? Bought a film crew for you today.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Why are you here?
Because this is the favourite bakery. It's our favourite bakery. This is Cockatoo Bakery. They make the best coffees and have the best apple cakes in the world.
In the world.
In the world. I've not eaten a better apple cake, so it's in the world for me. The money shop. Thank you.
Thanks.
Warm
See you
coffee,
later.
warm pie, warm soul.
You really turned it up.
I can see the heaven in your eyes. Oh yeah, I can